Hey guys, welcome to Tini Kiwi channel. I'm Kiwi's mom and I have brought a new video on online shopping birthday review. As you have seen in pre-birthday and birthday videos of Kiwi, in that video we used 90% of online products, and today I'm gonna review all that product. Video will help you for online shopping. Watch this full video. Let's start it. Kiwi. Starting with the best thing I have purchased online is this electric balloon pump. It comes with a pack of 4 pieces. One piece of this electric balloon pump and the 5 pieces of this flower clip and one piece of this balloon arc roll and balloon glue dot. And this electric balloon pump reduced my work a lot. It inflated around 50 balloons in just 10 minutes. I will recommend it to you. You should buy this. Its plug is inside the box, and this electric balloon pump comes with 4 nozzles. One is automatic and the others 3 are operated by the switch here, as you can see. Now these flower clips are used to make a flower out of balloons like this. This is arc roll, is used to make balloons garland, as you can see in the pic. This is best because it is harder than the ordinary thread. That is the reason it can create any shape out of balloons. And the fourth one is this glue dots, which is used to paste any paper flower or any other decorative item on balloons. The total cost of these 4 products were 1000 or 1100 rupees something from Amazon, and I will give you the link in the description box. Now let's talk about the second product I have purchased from Amazon. Is this pastel colored balloons with a pack of 50 in around 250 rupees. What is special in these balloons is its quality. As you can see, the skin which is thicker than the ordinary balloons, that is why it does not fade out its color after inflation. So gives the cute look to our party, and I will give it 5 out of 5 review because not a single piece of balloon was defective. Now the third product is this, what is name, the balloon sticks polka dot tablecloth. Naam bade aur darshan chote, which is not even a cloth actually. This is worse than a carry bag. The bad quality product I have purchased in 189 rupees from Amazon. This was not purchasing, this was wasting of my 189 rupees. It was torn out before the party start, and I will not recommend it to you for sure. So bad quality. 0 out of 5 review. Fourth product is LED balloons, which I have purchased from the same place, Amazon, and it comes with a set of 25 balloons in 299 rupees from Amazon. And yes, if your party is at night, then it will add more decor to your event. And these have assorted colors, and I will give it 3 out of 5 review. And the fifth one is, be ready to listen the name, which is Party Props Girls First Birthday Photo Booth Props. This comes with 19 pieces and in just rupees 199 from Amazon. Average product, a paper and a stick. Actually nothing more special in it, but you can make it at home very easily. Yeah, these are the party props for children. Also you can use it for cake smash, birthday shoot, and birthday table decoration, and for cupcakes decoration. And I have used these only for cake smash photo shoot, so you can buy if you like it. I will give it the same 3 out of 5 review. My sixth product was the foil metallic birthday banner. I can't give its review because it was not even received due to some technical issue from their side, which is continuing still now. Its cost was 219 from Amazon, and you can buy if you like. The photo banner where you can paste your kids memories from 1 month to 12 months in a single frame, and it is looking cute. It is Slots are in this frame is made by paper. It's just a paper. You can make it at home, but better to order it from online. It is of about 180 rupees from Amazon, and I will give 4, no, I will give 5 out of 5 review because I love this product. So these are the total decoration items I have purchased from Amazon. In total approx 2000 rupees I can say, except cake. Now let's come to dresses. These are the 3 dresses Kiwi wore on her birthday and for pre-birthday shoot. This one is from local market in around 500 rupees. I'm telling you so that you will get some idea of rate difference between the local and the online market. The second dress is from First Cry in around 1600 rupees. It is a gown type dress and its size is 12 to 18 months. Now you will see the two comparison on a screen. I can't find any difference, but actually it is not like that which I have ordered online. Flare was not like that and the sparkle was falling down on Kiwi's hand and legs. And I want to tell that my Kiwi's height is very good. Still, it was appeared longer on her that she can't move a step. And yes, it is heavier that she felt so uncomfortable and I had to change her dress. I will give 3 out of 5 review for this dress. And the third one is this pink wings tutu dress of knee length in rupees around 800 to 900 from Amazon. This size is 12 to 18 months, which was fitted perfectly on Kiwi, and she was looking more cute in this dress. I'm also in love with this dress. I will recommend it to you. You should buy this, and it also have other color options on the site. You can choose your choice of color from Amazon from the link in the description box, and I will give 5 out of 5 review for this dress. I love this dress. And now the shoe time. The only shoe I have purchased is this Baby Hug Butterfly Motif Bally's in pink color, and it was of around 700 to 800 rupees from firstcry.com. For shoes, measure the size of your baby's feet in centimeter or inch before ordering because it was asking for that. Its upper material is of synthetic and it have TPR sole. It's flat, not heel of course, and buckle closer type and comfortable. The perfect shoe for my baby. I will recommend and I will give 4 out of 5 review for this. All the links are in the description box. And the last product in this video is this crown styled hairband, which is in ivory color and made of glitter paper, which does not have any glitter in this, and the color was not good. Everything is not good, so I will not recommend. And in 350 rupees, the total cost was 350 rupees including delivery charges, which makes it more costlier than its appearance. I will give 2 out of 5 review. I'm not happy with this product. And I suggest you to choose any simple hairband types, not like this crown style or any cap style hairband for birthday party. If this video helped you, then please like, and it would be great if you subscribe.